I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and collecting essentials. Your SIM must be active, and you should know whether you are prepaid or postpaid. Once done, check your account balance or that your last bill is paid so activation isn't blocked. Make sure you have your passport and travel dates handy because Airtel verifies destination and duration. This speeds authorization. Now open the Airtel Thanks app or dial the activation UST to start the roaming pack purchase process immediately. You now pick the right roaming pack. In the Airtel Thanks app, tap roaming and view packs by country. If using UST, follow prompts after dialing *121# to roaming. Compare daily packs versus fixed duration bundles and check included data, voice minutes, and SMS so you don't overspend. Once decided, choose payment, wallet, card, UPI, or for postpaid bill to account. After payment, you'll receive an SMS confirmation, retain it for reference, and wait for the active flag on your line. To finish, enable data roaming and set network selection to automatic in your phone. This lets your device pick the local partner network. Once done, restart the phone and look for the roaming icon plus the Airtel confirmation SMS. This proves activation. If service fails, first check account balance and pack validity, then contact Airtel support for manual activation or IMEI registration. Keep your confirmation SMS and travel documents ready. They accelerate resolution if support asks for verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.